This is the best loading screen I've ever seen for a game. This is quite possibly the best thing I've ever seen. Now let's go options. Um, what is like, is there any music at all? Or is it just literally just quiet? I need to see. We're going hunting today! Why is it lagging? Uh, here of the game. I honestly do not think there's any loading screen music. I honestly do not think there's any loading screen music. Okay. Let's play! Going hunting! I got my Ford F-150! God damn! I just I just scared off all the deer. I just scared off all the deer. Hey! Ah! I got hunting deer! Hey! We're hunting! I don't even know what this game's about. Is it a horror game? No! No! Come here, catch a man. I see you! I see you! What am I playing, bro? No, this is fun though. Alright, guys. Make sure it's dead. I got my rifle. Man. Oh, there it is. Did I actually kill that guy with a stray shot? I am so good. It's a hard day's work. It's a hard day's work. That's for sure. There it is.
Got you. Got you.
Jesus. What? Who's having sex in the woods? Hello? You can't be out here, miss. Can you hear me? Follow my gunshots! Stop, master. She's having sex. Who is she? I'm sorry, I don't know where you are. I didn't know. Oh, she stopped. I think she's dead. Ah, there. Dutch, come on. This ain't no damn place to stop down. I heard Jose talking about some goddamn deer girl having sex in the woods. I need to see it for myself, Micah. Micah, is that you? You better not be time messing around here, Micah. Um, what do I do now? Do I just leave? Yeah, I think that's enough for me. Thank you, dear lady. You can have some privacy. Did I get in the drive? My car working? Help! Help! Um, I'm looking for more deer. I don't see them. The right shot. Mary had a little lamb. Hey, I was rocking out, pal. Go hunting again? I don't know. Yes. Why? I have a daughter to feed. I've I've only ever been good at hunting. Can't hold another job for the life of me. Okay, let's go hunting again. Hey! Is there any deer girls having? There you are! I'm being the quietest I can. Hello? Nah, the first sight I see of bro, I'm shooting him. I'm going full hood. Alright, alright. I have my fish right beside me to give me comfort. Don't worry. I come prepared. Hey, you goddamn. Uh, I hear another deer. Where'd they go up to?
Pop.
Thank you. I'll be on my merry way. No. No, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. I'm sorry. Hey, I didn't know you were furry. Hey, sorry, man. Your persona was it was too realistic. Um, this deer's badly hurt. Alright, well, I'm gonna put you in my Ford F-150. Hopefully that's okay. Shoot you a couple more times. Deers, please. Well, this guy's not moving. And this guy's dead. What? Going hunting again? Yeah. Why? I have a God to feed. I didn't know Jesus like. Hi, God. Is that God? Mary had, Mary had a little lamb. Hi. Do you think he likes my song? Did it just close out my game? Buddy, I wanted to go hunting again. Okay. Well, that's the first game. I'm gonna play like 3 games. I'm so bored. I'm so. Okay, so the second game we have is the skin stapler. I found this game on itch.io, and it was like, protect your PC. I'm like, I don't know if I trust it, but right? Life, you need to take some risks. Start new game. Start new game. I'm so bored. My girlfriend's asleep, hopefully. She's not playing Red Dead Redemption again. I know exactly what she does. Sleepy baby. My fish is looking at me from the.
February 23rd,
Damn.
1984.
We playing as Batman?
The whole intro to this game got glitched. When the full version of the game comes out, I shall play it, don't worry.
Full time. If I'm gonna answer calls while you're like crapping, bro. Oh, you better not say that. He's gonna get pissed. He's gonna get.
Alright, calm down.
Yeah.
Grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
I'll make my wieners. My wieners are nice and big. Okay, pal. Okay, pal. Alright, we don't do that. We don't call him the crapper. Thank you. We don't do that. I don't do that. Batman doesn't do it. Why is everywhere so dirty? Where do we live? Detroit? I mean, I can't really. I've never seen Detroit. Detroit's probably cleaner than this crap. Hopefully. I've never been there, but hopefully it's cleaner than this. The famous quick fix wiener stand. It's out of wieners. Oh man, we're out of wieners. It's in the back. I don't think it'd be back here. Not gonna lie. In the lockers? In this locker? In the drawers? The uniform's not too bad either. Oh no. Needs meat? Could I put my hand in there? I could be like Marilyn Monroe. I don't feel like role playing today. I'm on the job. Where is the back? Right. This means back. I already looked out here though. Does it mean that?
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
Sir, if you'd like to make a request to fix something, you'll have to step inside with me. Sorry about that. I don't talk to people outside.
Jeez, you scared the crap out of me, man.
You scared me, man. Come
Fix.
on.
I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
You're so funny. Have you heard of toothpaste, sir?
Cool. Great talk.
Awesome. I gotta get going, you know?
My,
I'm holding a can of fresh
I
wiener.
do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
He's such a cutesy, kawaii, Sune girl. I wonder if he's blushing. He's blushing. You see him. You come back later, I'll give you my wiener. Not like that.
Just
Not like that.
another creep. I hate this city.
Just had to make sure he knows. I don't know what people. Get back inside. Get back inside. Put my box of mystery meat down. You have to step on the counter. Well, okay, pal. Mmm. Slam! You have to do it so aggressively. This is why I'm liking work. I'm get all the mystery meat everywhere. Make these wieners. How much wieners do we possibly need? There we go. Take my box of wieners. Nice and moldy from sitting out in the rain. Now let's make some of these. Oh, we got a customer? Hello. A lovely day outside. Watch out for the pale Discord moderator. Keeps on calling me his e-kitten. I know that's pretty weird, sir. Hey, what's going on? What can I get you? Nice long one. Make it snappy. I'll make it snappy. I'll make it. Let's make it snappy. That is a very long one. You are in for a treat. I make the best hot dogs in town. Or sorry, wieners. Yeah, this one's a. I scraped the mold off. The mildew. I scraped it off. Just it should be fine. Should be fine. Let me grab a bun. Oh, I don't know whether that. Okay. Okay. Where did my hot dog go? I know the wiener's ready. Thank you. I need a toasted hot dog bun. Sorry, sir. Let me toast your buns. I'm gonna toast your buns. Then I'll give you my wiener. Not like that. Freaky. No, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be so. Don't be so impatient, pal. Let me get your wiener. Where's your wiener? Sorry, sir. You'll have to wait a little bit. I don't know where your wiener went. So, how's your day going? You see up there? Up to 90% off if you buy 3 things in the store. I suggest buying the pumpkin spice meth. It's a hot seller. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. You don't? Do you want any condiments with that? We got onions. The wiener's ready, I think. Uh, want any condiments with that? I need ketchup and mustard. Ah, I need relish. I'm gonna assume that's relish. And add the works. Can't add the works yet. I need a hot dog container. Uh, thick. Here you go, sir. Ah, what does it bring you back to the good old days? Jesus. Okay, sir. I'm gonna need you out. That was. Ugh. I'm gonna need you out. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, freak. Jeez. Deep Throat King over here. Holy. Alright, lady, please do not deep throat your hot dog. I don't want a demonetization. Thank you very much. I am begging you, please do not deep throat your hot dog. No, I didn't see. What? What did you want? Alright, whatever, it's fine. You wanted a hot dog, right? Let me give you a hot dog. Anyways, a little small talk. If you see an old man out back with like a beanie on, don't go up to him. They call him the Glizzy King. Why am I getting chills? Just talking about that guy gives me chills. You're not gonna deep throw the. You're not gonna do that, right? And I hope not. I hope not, miss. Sorry. The wiener's ready. That sounds delicious. Please don't. Wow, I wonder what those sounds are. Miss, you can go. On what sign does it say deep throat your hot dog before leaving? How to make a juicy, long, quick fix wiener. Add following items with hot dog plate in these steps. Toasted bun, cooked wiener. Uh, hell no. I'm hiding behind the counter here. Hey, buddy. Hi. Welcome back. You're looking very nice today. Is that a new tan?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Yes, I am.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here.
Hey, just because you work here doesn't give you the right to be mean to him. Alright, he has yellow
Did you
teeth.
come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
We have hammers on the back aisle over there. We also have some chips there.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It
What do you need,
seems
sir?
I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Wait a minute, sir. Would you happen to be the skin stapler I've been hearing about on the news?
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Okay. Is it like staple your toupee on,
Man,
sir?
it's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
By the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
It's not whisper in my ear. Although I do kind of like it. Here, call me later. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I know I'm funny. What time is it? Oh my god. Still another 4 hours? Alright, time to sit back and relax. How long is he taking to buy that staple? Is that the glizzy gobbler? No, that's a lady. Okay. Sorry, miss. I'm sorry. Don't sue me. I didn't mean to. Been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Just say hot dog on it, like at this point. Thank you. Let's just be easy for all of us, you know. Listen, if you see a guy with all white in the back, don't talk to him. He's mine. He's my man. Alright? Ready for the nice ringtone? Again, I scraped some mildew off the top for you. I'm getting paid extra. Just gonna keep that on. Wiener is ready. Don't. Why do you have to do that? I put you on. It's security camera. You know that, right? Should I go check on that one guy? You need to stay at the register now. Did I even get paid for any of those hot dogs? They just eat it and like deep throat it and walk away. They don't even try to taste it? It's my famous wieners. Hello? I worked all day on those. Okay. I had to get up on a counter to make them. Hey, buddy. Hey, Tyler, the creator. How you doing? Give me a meaty, juicy one. Okay. Okay. All right, Tyler. Yeah, I'll give you one. I'll give you one. I'll give you one. Don't worry. So how you doing? That's a very nice suit you're wearing, sir. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, your buns are ready. Are you Tyler the Creator or Lil Nas X? I can't tell. You're somebody famous. Am I ringing a bell? No? I mean, it's fine. You want to sample this? I grabbed another wiener. I'll leave that cooking. That's some fresh slop. Please, Tyler. Please do not deep throat this. I know you. Alright. What is it? I don't like you. I don't like you. Wiener is ready. 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 I got the mustard. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. I need this. I need this in real life. Where did she go up to? Miss? Oh. She's the first person actually buying something? Please don't ask for a wiener.
Hey, Hexy.
Hi, Blair. How you doing?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to see what's in them.
Yeah.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
What does Gutter's End?
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
She likes you, bro. Unless that's your girlfriend. She likes you, Blair. I mean, Hexy.
How much I owe ya?
Don't say
Don't
free.
worry about it. This one's on me. I'm
No?
feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Blair, I wouldn't judge you if you just left.
You should be arrested for that one. Hey, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Have a good shift, Blair. Colored by her full government name. You guys like make some nicknames. Hey? Hey, freak. Over here. Can I call him out? That's my friend, isn't it? My girl? Don't just stare. Ah, hell no. Ah, hell no. We're closed. I'm closed enough for the night. I just not gonna.
Dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Whoa, Hex. Whoa. Hold your horses, man. You're gonna get fired.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
Was it Blair?
What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
I don't want to see what you've been eating. Sorry, not gonna lie. Can I turn on this fan? It's quite hot in here. And somebody took my bun. Who took my bun? It was right here. But that's it.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet.
You're not gonna take my bun. My toasted bun that I toasted earlier. You're not gonna take my toasted bun. What do you think this is? Amateur hour? And take your buns. Unclog this real fast.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I better grab the plug.
Oh, I hate this job. Why is there a quick time event? Damn! Buddy! You're getting toilet water on your hands. Oh, it might be cooked. Gotta lock in. Yes. Is it done? Okay.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Your hands are on that. It's your fault, whatever happens here.
What the?
Baby, no money. Stop it. No, baby, no money. Oh no. What happened to him? I'm playing as the girl now. Better go check on my boyfriend. He's dying in a pool of crap. I might honestly just use the watch real quick. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, that would have been bad. I almost pressed the stop recording. Okay, sir. Are you following me? Oh, I don't feel safe. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, wonderful. Oh, we have pool table. This is pretty cool, actually. Don't need to go behind the counter yet.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
What are you going to do to him, Blair?
Lucas!
Oh, okay.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to
If you're
clock
getting
out.
paid, why would you not care? Why would you care?
Cool. Let me
Alright.
nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
You say nudies? Alright, Blair, come on. Let me nuke this cup of nudies. I'm gonna start saying that. Gonna annoy the hell out of my girlfriend. Hold up. Both washrooms? Are you serious? Yeah. Where do I nuke this cup of nudies? Here we are. Do I need like
I'll be
water
back
in
for
there?
this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Was that there before? There you are.
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
I'm gonna kick you.
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
I'm gonna kick you harder.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
I don't need to know that. Thank you. I don't need to know that, sir.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
You're dead. I already know. I'm trying to grab my nudies. Grab my nudies. Is it done? You're not done yet? Are you serious? What the hell? How much time did you put them in for? 45 minutes? Alright, so I need to de-jam the ball, right? Yeah. Which one is this one? Is it this one? It's a quick time event. How aggressive is she gonna be? Damn! Lady! Calm down! So does the skin stapler only go after women? I'm clicking it, am I not? There we go. Okay, Blair. Sorry for doubting you. Oh. I love the physics in this game.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Holy crap! Is this the
I'd
ball?
better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Why do you have to say it like that? Why is this game so freaky? Oh, right. So good. Hi, sir.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
What hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
I'm gonna call the police
Right.
anyways.
Well, it's
You
$5
sound
a
high.
game per lane.
So direct. I like that.
Ew.
Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
I don't think you have to worry about fresh cuts, pal. Yours is already, it's baby smooth. I can see my eye. It's a mirror at this point.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
Like what?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
Why am I getting cold? Sir, why are you making me cold? Why am I a little chilly? Why am I shivering? I need my blankie. What the hell? My blankie. Never mind my alligator stuffy. And yes, it makes a noise because it's chill. It's cool. It's very chill. And there's a piece of tape on my blanket. Ah, this is a vibe. I got my jellyfish thing running. I got my fish right beside me. Right, Frosty? Fist bump. Alright, let's do it.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Yeah, no,
Either
yeah.
buy a lane or get out.
Good.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take
Darling.
lane 6. Thank you.
And you give me. I mean, I didn't get any money, man. What you're bowling by yourself? Alright, this is already a red flag. We need to get this guy out of here.
Total creep.
We need to clean these dirty balls. Need a dirty bowling ball. Where's the dirty bowling ball? Where are they? Oh. Wow, these are dirty. Hold down D. Hold down S. That's what it looked like before. What? Who is playing with these balls? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is he watching me? I saw that. I saw that, sir. Can you get back to your lane? What do you need? Shoes?
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
No, I saw that before. He was standing here. Your stinky shoes. Where's the stinky shoes? I mean, that's one of them, right? Do I need this?
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Right, sir, you can come and kill me now. Oh, he's not here. Is that it? What do I have to do? Oh, really? So, I'm off of work just to do more work? There we go.
That should do it.
I should do it.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast.
Noodles. Is noodles copyrighted? He's gonna walk out of the washroom. No? Keep an eye on the backside.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Good idea. Ow! Sir, please get your heroin out of me. Ugh. I die. Okay. What the hell? What?
What happened?
It's a fatality? Not the noodles. No. Please. Oh. I'm sorry, Mr. Shrimp. I can't talk right now. Something's happening.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Mr. Shrimp, I know. I need to get up.
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Mr. Shrimp, no!
Knuckles awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, you wouldn't know him.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp? I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
Huh? So why my hands are so swollen?
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What? What do you mean?
Oh no.
I'll acquire that beautiful skin of yours
You're gonna
once
damage my
more,
skin if you do this.
and have you screaming and crying while I shred it from your body. I'm afraid it's the end of the line for
You're gonna
you.
damage my skin, buddy.
Please, don't.
Oh no.
No! My shit just doesn't work.
I did it.
There's no balls left in there, pal. Oh! Spoke too soon. I thought I cleared that one out. Guess not. What? Where's Dick? Okay. But for fake. Did he get his staples at least? Okay, good. He got his staples. Ah, interesting. Oh, you're using a lot of staples, sir. Why do you have to be so aggressive? Not my face. Where's Dick during all this? Hold up. Hold up. Dun, dun, dun. Where's Dick? Ah, it's a demo. Oh, that's fine. Interesting. Interesting music.
Quit.
That just closes up my game. Okay. That's interesting. I'm definitely gonna try to like wishlist that one. That was pretty fun. Anyways, yeah, it goes. I don't know. I was pretty bored. I just played two scary games really. Um, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.